You've heard of people gushing about how planks are awesome, but we bet you haven't tried it yourself if you're here now. You may be wondering if 1 minute of a plank is good enough. Does it give you benefits like more defined abs and such? This is what happens to your body when you plank for 1, 5, and 10 minutes. Welcome back, viewers! Planks are a form of bodyweight exercise that will always remain iconic. They're one of the most effective moves you can do since they don't require much time while still providing the chance to achieve good results. Today, we will be going over the effects of planking for 1, 5, and 10 minutes on your body. Will you get a metabolism boost? Or perhaps, can it help fix bad posture? Keep watching to know. 1 minute, 5-minute plank. According to research, holding a 1-minute plank makes the torso resilient for many people. This duration is also beneficial for individuals with back pain, granted that they do it 10 seconds at a time. Number 1. Better core definition. Surprisingly, planks that are held for a minute are enough to improve core definition, which in turn leads to positive effects like increased ability to lift heavier weights, improved sports performance, a much noticeable appearance of six-pack, improved capacity for stable side bending and waist twisting, a stable back and strong buttocks. Holding out a plank for 1 minute at first will prepare your body to do longer periods later on, say 5 minutes. However, when you do a 5-minute plank, make sure to use different variations. Other benefits of planking for 1 to 5 minutes include: Number 2. Metabolism boost. Before we go on, smash that like button, then let's get right back to it. Planks are an amazing way of challenging your whole body. They burn more calories for starters. Also, when done every day, planks compel the body to burn more energy even when at rest. Number 3. Improved posture. Planking every day leads to a good posture. That's because this exercise properly aligns your bones and joints and improves the overall effectiveness of your muscles. Number 4. Improved balance. Try standing on one leg if you can stand up straight for more than a couple of seconds. If not, then your abdominal muscles need to do some planking to improve your balance. Balance is mostly coming from your core rather than your legs. Number 5. More flexibility. Planks work to stretch and expand all the posterior muscle groups. They also stretch the hamstrings, toes, and arches of the feet. 10-minute plank. Holding out a plank for 3 minutes is crazy, let alone 5 minutes or worse, 10 minutes. Instead, you should hold out for 30 seconds to a minute. If this is too easy for you, then do planking intervals by holding for 20 seconds each time. Thankfully, there are lots of plank variations you can alternate from rather than just doing the standard position. Incorporating variations will also help target more certain muscles in the body. In essence, a 5-minute plank should provide more than enough results, since 10 minutes may do more harm than good for some, whereas 1 minute may be too easy for others. What about you? How long do you think you can sustain a plank without compromising on the form? Comment your thoughts below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out, both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.